Right guys, so welcome to another video. What we're going to do in this one is we're going to do a roof wrap. Shout out to the guy who actually sprayed my roof and didn't actually take the aerial off. Such a lazy job. But yeah, we're going to wrap this roof now. Obviously we're getting there slowly. You can see the reflection on the car. The front's been done, all the sides have been done, etc. We're going to do a roof wrap in a gloss black Morpheus, so it's like a glitter effect, a bit like the sunstrip you can see in the background, just there. It's a bit like that, so we're going to get ahead and do that. To take your aerial off, you just need a socket, pull your roof lining down, pull the cable out. It's very simple. I'll show you that just in here. This is for all courses as well. You've just got this little bit here which just pulls straight out, and obviously this is what you need to undo. I believe it's 17mm. You will have to put a spanner over the top of this, and you could do with on a 90-degree angle as well. So yeah, so what we're going to do now is, as I said, wrap this front roof. I've took the side basically roof bars off. They basically just pull off. It's the same for any courser as well. So very simple. I'm using a 2 metre by 1.5 piece for this, just to get it all done in one bit. And the key to this is applying it all in one strip. Position it before you even squeegee it on or anything like that. So yeah, make sure you can pull it over and use this as a guide, so you can stretch it over this, so it's like not even actually touching it, and you can do this in about literally 30 minutes. So we're going to jump straight into it.
Baby, this is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves, and everybody's watching her.
Right then guys, so obviously that's just been put on by 2 people. Ideally 4 people is good, so you can just grab a corner and place it on. Not always possible, so you put it on like this. It's a bit of a mess, but what we're going to do now is literally like we've done in the other videos, is lift it up and reposition it so it's all flat. The key to doing the roof so fast is making sure it's all flat already, because if you try and wrap it like this, you'd have so many problems. So like I said, use these advantages because they're a little bit higher. Pull it over and then just work your way around. It may take a few times, but once you've done that, you should be positioned fine. Right guys, so we've repositioned this best we can with 2 people. When it focuses, that sun glare though, as you can see, it's a really nice wrap. See if I can get this side to show you a bit better. But there you go, you can see it a lot better there. That's all over the roof, so obviously we've got this as smooth as possible. These little bits we should be able to get out. If not, what we'll do is reposition it. Now what you want to do is work in your sections again. So we're going to work on this off first, get all this down, and then we're going to work on this off after. You can do triangles, you can work in your corners, so work on this corner, then that corner. It's entirely up to you what you want to do. That's probably the better option if you're not too confident, because you can just readjust. Again, read your lines on your wrap, like this one here. It's saying that we need more tension this way, but that will probably come out anyway. So yeah, I'm going to go and squeegee all this down now. I'm actually not going to use a squeegee. I'm going to use a wrapping glove, which I've got here. 99p. You can use that instead of your normal hands. As you can see there, just to hook you guys up, you can see how smooth it is on this side. There's a few bits to get out on this side, as you can see, but just working our way across now. So we're going to work on this section here, then the other section. Just thought I'd give you guys an update. Once you get to the edge like there, obviously you need to lift your spoiler up to allow that tension to be released from here before you do that, but you can do the edges really easy after. Main focus is in the middle. As you can see, slowly get in there. Like I said, do it up to your edges like we have here. And down here as well. This is why we removed the side bits, just so you could obviously get the squeegee in and fold it around a little bit more. obviously we've got this little bit here, which again, once you've done the majority of it, lift it up a slightly bit, heat it up, and just get it a pull. You can see the vinyl stretching, just so it gets rid of all that tension. And then there you go. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go straight to the back bit, sort out the back bit, and then trim off a lot of this excess, but tuck a lot also around the edges as well.
I say your place where we meet. Baby, this is what you came for. Lightning.
And then we're going to get to cutting one of these edges. I'm going to show you how to cut one of these edges. Obviously once that edge is cut, I'm going to just go around and do it already, because it's just the exact same principle. You've seen my other wrapping series. This front, you cut it down and just tuck it round. Very, very simple. These, you tuck it down first. Ideally you can lift this up to relieve some tension, and tuck it down, and then obviously put your side things back on. But I am going to show you one of these sides, like I said. But then once I've shown you the one side, I'm just going to go around and shape it all up and then show you the finished thing. Because again, this just takes the most time, shaping it up. It's took about 20 minutes, I think, 22 minutes, 25 minutes so far to do this. So I'm going to spend 5 minutes shaping it up now.
Every time she moves, and everybody's watching her, but she's looking at me.
You can see just here, all the way down, all nice and smoothly tucked in. I am going to quickly show you how to do this corner, if I can get a good angle for you guys. Right, so this corner here, with your corner, the easiest way to do this is, I'll do a bit of the front here like I said before. You want to lift it up. Don't worry if some of it peels, it will peel, come back up till it's tucked down, but lift it up, relieve the tension, and just tuck it in. Like so. Now this corner, so what you want to do here is just cut this off. I know I haven't done the rest, but I don't need to really do much more with it. Is cut that off, hold that out of the way a second. Then for this corner, you just want to grab some heat, like so. Heat the corner up, and as you're heating it, you want to stretch it over the corner. And then you want to just trim it up after, like so. So on your corner, as you can see there, it's actually wrapped around it. You're not going to see all this. You can tidy all that up if you really want to. You don't really need to, but you just want to carry on all the way around. Like I said, I'm going to shape this up, and then I'll get back to you. Guys, so all shaped up, as you can see here. Obviously put the aerial back on. Very, very simple. Obviously put the roof rack bars back in. Couldn't think what they were called earlier, but I finally figured it out. So yeah, very, very simple. Took about half an hour. All tucked in, as you can see, all the way down. So yeah, took about 30 minutes ish, 30 or 35 minutes, something like that. The hardest bit, like I said, is repositioning your vinyl. So yeah, next bit, you might be wondering why we haven't done the back bumper. Back bumper is getting done. Just had an issue with the vinyl again. The gold's been took off mainly, apart from obviously in certain bits where I've got to take lights and such out. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. And the next video will either be back bumper or bonnet. I haven't decided yet. I've got a special vinyl for the bonnet coming. So yeah, it could also be side skirts as well, because I could be doing them. Well, I will be doing them, but I don't know which order. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.